Afrin Sheikh, good morning. Yes. Once again, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Pi Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in the last class, we were discussing the chapter called Coordinate Geometry. Almost all the concepts of this chapter was completed. Just we were focusing only on the textbook exercise questions, right? So let's go for continuing this. I think probably it can be finished early. Soon after that, we will move on to the new chapter called Lines and Angles. Okay. Yes. Let me write the name of the chapter. It is Coordinate Geometry. And write today's date. It is 9/8/2021. Coordinate Geometry. Coordinate geometry. In that, what was over till the last question? 3.2. Was it completed? Okay. Now we are moving to exercise number 3.3. Right. Exercise. (3.3). First, simple question it is. Already we are very familiar. Let's write that. In which quadrant? In which quadrant? On which axis do each of the points -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, -2, 1, +2, and -3, -5 lie. Put question mark. Verify your answer. Verify your answer by locating them. By locating them on the Cartesian plane. On the Cartesian plane. Chandana, you? Hope you are writing. Okay. Carry on. On the Cartesian plane. Prashant sir, you may unmute everybody.
Sir, unmute.
Okay.
So we have to write in graph book, sir.
Let it be notebook only. Here we have two sub questions. One is they are given the points, you should tell in which quadrant they lie. Second one, only for the verification whether the chosen quadrants are correct or not, you have to use the graph sheet afterwards. Now let us go for writing the quadrants or the axis on which the following points lie. Right. Answer. Afraid. You tell me. The first point, -2, +4, lies in which quadrant? It's very simple.
Second quadrant.
Wait. It is positive. It is negative, negative. This is positive, negative. Yeah, negative, positive. Minus 2 plus 4.
Left side.
Means second quadrant.
Left side.
In second quadrant. Prithviraj.
Yes, sir.
Prithviraj.
Yes, sir.
Next point. 3 comma minus 1 lies in which quadrant?
Third
You
quadrant.
are negative.
Fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant. Right. Fourth quadrant. Next. Manasa, next one. Minus 1 comma 0. Where it lies?
Negative side of
Dekha KB.
first.
First quadrant.
Negative side.
It is in the form of x comma 0. X comma
Negative
0
x-axis.
on x axis. It lies on x axis. That is negative side of x axis. Lies on negative side of x axis. Next. Another point. 1 comma 2.
First quadrant.
Which quadrant?
First quadrant. First quadrant.
First quadrant.
Lies in first quadrant. Next. One more point. Minus 3 comma minus 5.
Third.
It belongs to third quadrant.
Third.
Right. Minus 3 comma minus 5 lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant. Written up. Now you may go for using the graph. Use the graph sheet or graph book. There, in the graph book, you write exercise 3.3, first question. Exercise 3.3, first question. Null page. Null page. Here, draw first x and y axis. Draw x and y axis. Manya, have you drawn? Then draw the number lines. Name them as x and y. X, O, x dash. This is x axis. Next, y, O, y dash. It is y axis. Right side of 0 are positive. Just one marking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Above 0 are positive. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Below 0 are negative. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Now, just go for locating the points. First point. Minus 2 comma 4. In nodebodi ನೀವು second quadrant ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. First you have to mark yourself, then you just compare. -2, 4. Here -2. Here +4. Here the point. Yes, the point is in second quadrant. It is correct one. -2, -4. Next, 3, -1. X is +3. Y is -1. Both will intersect at this point. Yes. It is 3, -1. It is in fourth quadrant. Yes, correct one. A third point. -1, 0. Manya J join. Are you locating? Okay. -1, 0. -1 is on x-axis. 0 is here. So that it comes on negative side of the x-axis. Here I'll write -1, 0. Next. 1, 2. X is 1, Y is 2. That point comes here. Here I am marking. This is 1, 2. Next, -3, -1. -3 on x-axis, -5 on y-axis. Mark the point. It is -3, -5. Correct. It lies in third quadrant. There also lies third quadrant. It becomes verification of the purpose. We have verified by locating all the points on the graph.
We have to write that, sir. First quadrant, second quadrant.
Not necessary. Here already you have written. No? Just you are going to check whether these are correct. Finished now? Have you all finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tanush?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Niharika? Sanvi? Okay. Afrain? Next time. Let's move on to second main. Write it in graph book. Write this in the graph book itself. Right. Second question. Plot the points. Plot the points x, y given in the following table. Given in the following table. Following table.
Sir, we should write question also in graph book, sir.
Yes, sir. Choosing suitable units of distance. Choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. You have to prepare a table having 6 columns and 2 rows. First, you draw 2 rows. This is first row and is second. Done. This is X and is Y. I'll give you the points. It's -2, 8. Second. -1, 7. Third. X is 0. Y is -1.25. Complete the table quickly with me. Then X is 1, Y is 3. Next, X is 3, Y is -1. Finished up? Dear students, now let me tell you how to locate this. Observe here. Here they are given X coordinate and Y coordinate separately, but you should take them together. Just observe here. I'll write X comma Y. X comma Y, and then the first point is, what is first point?
-2, comma 8.
-2, comma 8 as the artha. Second point,
-1, comma
-1, comma 7. Third point, 0, comma -1.5. Fourth point, 1, comma 3. Fifth point, 3, comma -1. So you have to look at these points.
-1.
Such a simple one. Can you all?
Yes, sir.
On the graph plane, draw X and Y axis. Siddhesh,
You have to use scale, sir.
I'll tell you. Scale, it is one unit is nothing but 1 centimeter. That's enough, no? Because these
No,
are
sir,
not big numbers.
1.5.
Yes, sir.
Right. Draw X and Y axis quick as possible. To 0. The maximum positive X axis and maximum 3, right? Plus 3. So it is 0. Here is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Up to 4 enough. It is -1, -2, -3. What? -4. Y only. In Y maximum 8. So it will work 8. 1, 2, 3. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, below 0, -1, -2, -3. Let us mark first -2, comma 8. -2 on X axis, 8 on Y axis. Mark not that. -2, comma 8. Next. -1, comma 7. X is -1, y is 7. Yes. It says -1, comma 7. Next, 0, comma -1.25. Whether it comes on x-axis or y-axis?
Y.
Y-axis. Positive side or negative? Negative side.
Negative side.
So it is -1 is here, but we want to 1.25. Here from 1 to -1 to -2. Total 10 parts are there. Actually 2.5 parts are there. Let me show you. Please stop writing and observe the book. You know. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, -1 illegal. This is -2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. We want -1.25. Look here. -1.25. This part is there. It should be divided into 4 parts. Okay. That means 2.5, 1 part. Next to 2.5, 1 part. First 2.5 part is there. This is. Are you following? -0, comma -1.25. -1.25 comes first box, second box, in between the third box. In mark. So here I am marking. In between is 0, comma -1.2. 1, comma 3. It comes in first quadrant. Next, 3, comma -1. Finished, huh? Finished?
Yes, sir.
Now with this, the chapter has been completed. So let us begin the next chapter. This is lines and angles. So please open your math notebook.
Sir, revise the number system lesson, sir, once again. Sir, revise number system lesson, sir.
Revision when soon after completing the midterm syllabus. Soon after completing the midterm syllabus, then I'll go for giving you the revision on all the chapters.
Sir, when will biology start, sir?
Will be commenced in this week on.
Sir, we
We are
should
going
open
to
the
the fourth
max book,
chapter.
sir. Sir, we should open the max book, sir.
Maths notebook, not textbook. in your notebook. Margins are given, alva? Upper margin and left side margin. Take scale and pencil and draw the line here. First line. Could be simply you are playing, you are not at all drawing. Sit properly.
Sir, we should write in geometry books.
Second and third line. For third line, draw a line with scale and pencil. And here
Sir,
also.
ruled or unruled, sir?
Ruled only, no unruled at all, even though it is geometry. Next, make 3 parts. Make 3 parts. In the first part, write the chapter number here on the right side. Date. Next, chapter number, you all know that? This is 4. And name of the chapter is Lines and Angles.
Sir, linear equations in 2 variables, na sir? Sir, in index.
Yes, sir. Linear equations in 2 variables.
1 minute, I'll check this. 1 minute. Maybe lines and angles only. I'll check. CBSE syllabus. 9th standard. Term 1. Wait. Don't write the name of the chapter. Just I'm checking here. It has been given that first number system. Polynomial is not there. Next, linear equations in 2 variables. Okay, let's move on to that one. Right. Linear equations in 2 variables. Right, today's date, it is 9/8/2020. Chapter number 3 or 4? 4. No. First chapter is number system. Second chapter that we had covered polynomial. Third one,
Polynomial.
coordinate geometry. Linear equations in 2. In 2 variables. Clear a bit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen. Now you may stop writing. Stop writing. Just listen my explanation. Yes, students, we are very familiar with all the words given in the name of the chapter. Linear, then equations. Next, in 2 variables. You have already learned about variables in the chapter called polynomials. It is the mathematical term which is used for representing an unknown quantity, right? Similarly, and the variables are to be represented with a
Alphabetical letter.
alphabet letter. English alphabet letter from A to Z.
Small letter.
Prerna K. Kanasaplar, Arsha Jain, Chandana U, Afrin. Listen. Afrin, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Give some examples for variables.
X, Y, Z.
X, Y, Z. From A to Z, any one can be taken. That will be a variable.
Alphabets.
Two variables. You may take X and Y as two variables. Y and Z as two variables.
AB.
P and Q as two variables. M and N.
AP.
A and B.
That is
Yeah.
AB.
Okay. Then you have already learned about equations, right? Then what is an equation?
Sir, equality of any two quantities.
Quality of
I'll tell it. Yes, yes. Observe. 2x plus 3. What it is?
Expression.
Linear expression.
It is an algebraic
Equation.
Here, all right. 10. This is also an algebraic expression. Is it not?
But in one variable.
Yes.
No, no, no. It is an algebraic expression. It is also an algebraic expression. Let us go for equalizing this.
Equation.
Then we will get a new mathematical statement having both LHS and RHS part. And we call this as
The combination of two algebraic expressions.
equation. And this can be defined like this. The equality of two
The combination of
algebraic expressions.
These are called equations.
In one.
The equality of two algebraic expressions is called an equation. Have you got? The equality of two algebraic expressions is called an equation. In every equation, there will be two parts. One is left hand side
LHS and RHS.
and right hand side, it is RHS. Look here, it is an equation. I'll go for writing another one. X square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is also an equation. X square minus 5 equal to 0 is an equation. X cube minus 11y is equal to 0 is an equation. All the three are
it is not linear equation.
equations only.
In one variable.
But one thing is, you can come to know, in the first equation, we have only one variable, that is x. In the second equation also, we have only one variable, x. Third equation, we have one variable. Whereas, fourth equation,
Two variables.
X and y. I take another one. 2x plus 11y is equal to 25.
Two variables.
Two variables.
X1.
These are the equations in two variables. Sorry, one variable as well as two variables. Now, just again, you have to observe x cube minus 11y equal to 30. Look here. Hey, students, what do you call the highest power of the variable involved in the
Degree.
polynomial?
Degree of a polynomial.
Degree of the polynomial.
Similarly, highest power of the variable involved in the equation.
Degree of the
It
equation.
is degree of the equation. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Babel, Tanushar, Sanvi, Afrin. Look here. Highest power of the variable involved in the equation is called its degree. If so, what is the degree of this equation?
One.
One.
One set.
Equation?
Two.
2. Degree of this
Two.
equation?
Two.
Two.
It is 4 to
Three.
Three.
3. Observe it. Here, an equation of degree 1. It is called
Linear.
linear equation,
Linear
like
equation.
linear polynomial. Polynomial nalli ನಾವು a polynomial of degree 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. That is linear polynomial. Here, an equation of degree 1 is linear equation. Here, these two are,
Quadratic.
it is called quadratic equation. equation.
Equation.
It is an equation of degree 3.
Cubic.
Cubic equation.
But we are going to focus on
Linear
equation.
an equation of degree
Two
1.
variables.
An
Degree 1.
equation of degree 1 is called
Linear equation.
linear equation. Let me write some more linear equations. Just keep observing. Here it is x plus 15 is equal to 10. 2x plus 3y equal to
X
10.
equals to 5.
Here x minus 5x plus 3, sorry, x minus 5y plus 3z equal to 14. Whether all these linear equations are not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, linear equation in different way.
Their degree is 1.
1.
But what difference do you find in all the 3 linear equations?
Number of
Variables
variables.
Number of
Variables.
variables.
Number of variables. How many variables are there in the first equation?
One.
1.
1.
2.
Two variables.
3.
3.
What we are going to discuss?
Two variables.
Two variables.
Linear equation in
Two variables.
got it? An equation of degree 1 with 2 variables. An equation of degree 1 with 2 variables is called a linear equation in 2 variables. Did you all understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One simple question to you all. What is the general form of linear polynomial?
Ax plus b is equal to 0.
A plus
B equal to 0.
where b is not equal to 0. This is the general form of linear polynomial. But ನಮಗೆ equation ಬೇಕು. Equation ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ RHS ಇರಬೇಕು. Ax plus b equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. It is the general form of linear equation. But we want
Linear equation in 2 variables. Sir, ax plus by plus c.
Ax is equal
X plus b.
by plus c is equal to
A and b is not.
plus
by
by
plus c
plus c
C is equal
equals
to
to 0.
where
b are equal to 0.
A and B are not equal to 0.
should not be equal to 0. B is also be not equal to 0.
0.
Then only it is called general form or standard form of linear equations in 2 variables. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Here,
Yes, sir.
x and y, these two are called
Variable.
variables. Right? A, B, and C.
Constant.
These are
Constant.
constant
Radical.
constant
Radical.
Don't tell him. These are coefficients. These coefficients are nothing but constants. These constants are any real number. It may be just 1, 2, 3, 5, and so on. But condition is there. When we are non-zero real numbers.
Real number.
Zero bit between a numbers ಇದೆ ಯಾವ number ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು in place of end. But C is real number, just real number. Once I repeat, when we are non-zero real numbers, C is a real number. Understood? This is some
Yes,
of the
sir.
basic information regarding the chapter linear equations in 2 variables. Now, I'll go for giving you the points. Right. Side heading. Basic information.
Sir, unwanted disturbance.
Unwanted disturbance, sir.
Prashant sir.
The video is not seen.
Prashant sir.
Sir, we should write that.
You should write with me.
sir
Sir, just unwanted sound is coming. Don't know from whose side it is.
continue sir
Okay. Okay. Chandana, I think your brothers may be disturbing you, right? Please tell them to go away. Okay, just concentrate. Now you write side B. Basic information. Basic information. In that first term, it is variable, which you already know, right? Variable. Write its definition. Right. A mathematical term. A mathematical term which represents the unknown quantity. Which represents the unknown quantity. Is called a variable. Example, you may start from A, B, C, P, Q, R, and so on. X, Y, Z. All these are variables. Over up. Next. Side heading. Equation. Equation. Right. What is an equation? The equality of
Equality of any two
Equality of
algebraic
is called equation.
expression.
expressions. Right. The equality of two algebraic expressions is called an equation. Is called an equation. Give some examples. It is x plus 10 is equal to 2. Y square minus 5 equal to 0. Then x cube minus 2x square plus 11x plus 3 equal to 0.
Sir, is x plus x by 10 is
Once you tell
x plus x plus 100
x plus 100
is equal to x. Is this an equation, sir?
not all possible. The reason is when you cancel them, you get 100 is equal to 0. Is it possible to say 100 as 0 or 0 as 100?
No, sir.
No, 100 will never be equal to 0. It's not an equation. Right. Third one, degree of the equation. Degree of an equation. Manya Jai, will you tell the definition? What is degree?
The power of a number is called as degree of an equation.
Highest
The
power.
highest power of
The
a
highest
number
power
is
of the
called an
variable in an
degree.
equation is called
Of
degree of
an
an
equation.
The highest power of a variable involved in the equation, not number, variable. Its highest power will be taken, right? The highest power of the variable, involved in the equation is called of the equation. It's called degree of the equation. Ora. Next. Right.
Sir, the highest power of the variable.
The highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable involved in the equation is called its degree.
Sir, for third one, no example, sir.
Third one, no need. If you write some equations, see, their highest power can be taken and you can tell the degree. In these examples, degree of the first equation is 1, 2, 2. Third equation, 3. Not necessary to write it. And fourth one is, it is types of equations. Types of equations. Now, what is the basis on which we will go for classifying the equations?
On
Based the
degree.
Number of variables.
On the degree.
In bracket, right? Based on degree. Now you tell, what do you call an equation of degree 1?
Linear equation.
Linear equation.
Linear equation.
Equation. Linear equation. Bracket only, simple way. Degree 1. Just write this much. But for this one, I'll give you the detailed information. Here for type, you can write only this much. Linear equation, its degree is 1 and write its general form. General form is ax plus b equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Gagandev, what do you call an equation of degree 2? It is
Quadratic polynomial
equation.
equation.
Quadratic equation. This is degree 2. And its general form. Anybody?
Ax
General
Ax
form
plus
of quadratic
by plus c is equal
Ax square plus bx plus
to
c.
0.
A square plus
Where
b
a
equal
is
to
not.
0, where a is not equal to 0.
Sir, by is no, sir.
Sir, by, sir.
By.
Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of quadratic equation. Then
Cubic equation.
What is its degree?
Degree 3.
3, sir.
Degree 3. Its general form, it is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Abhinandan, which is fourth one?
Quadratic.
Quadratic or quadric.
Biquadratic or quadric equation. Write its degree. Degree 4. You can also write its general form. General form is, it is a x raised to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to 0. Like that. Afterwards, still some more are there. We have quintic, hexic, heptic, like this. Only this much enough. Now we are moving to the definition of the name of the chapter, that is linear equations in two variables. Not this part. This much is basic information. We are moving to the actual class. Right.
Exercise, sir.
Not exercise. This name of chapter. Take this as a side heading. Linear equations in two variables. They are not the name.
Sir, video.
Ora. Sanjana
Yes, sir.
ji, tell the definition of it. What is the definition of linear equations in two variables?
Linear equation of two variables.
Tell its definition. What is linear equation?
A linear equation having two variables.
Wait. Sanjana ji, what is a linear equation?
A polynomial having degree 1.
Linear equation. An equation of degree
A
1.
equation having
of degree 1.
equation of degree having 1 is called linear equation.
An equation of degree 1 is called linear equation. Here, definition of this. An equation of degree 1 with two variables.
Two variables.
Equation in two variables. This is not simple. Right. And then we definition sigutta. Right now. An equation of degree 1 with two variables is called a linear equation in two variables. And we have already come to know its general form or standard form. It is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Condition is much important where a is not equal to 0 and b is also not equal to 0. Yakendre a 0 agbitre it will be a linear equation in two variable, one variable. Even b 0 agru kuda ashte, it becomes a linear equation in one variable. Have you written? Yeah. Where x and y are variables.
Sir, we cannot write only ax plus by is equal to 0.
Constant will also be there. That is why. That constant may be 0 or any number. Hence, we have taken C also. A and B are non-zero real numbers. Non-zero real number. Whereas C, it is a real number. It may be any real number, including 0. Yes.
Sir, after degree, what, sir?
Degree 1. An equation of degree 1 with the two variables is called a linear equation of two variables. General form is written and the terms are explained. Finished up. Now you may stop writing and observe.
Example.
We are moving to an important part of this chapter, and it is also very important in the examination point of view. Here, I'll go for writing a mathematical statement. First, you tell whether it is an equation or not.
Equation.
Is
Yes,
it
sir.
an equation?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Then what type of equation it is?
Two variable.
Linear equation in two
Equation in
variables.
two
Equation
variables.
in two variables.
Two variables.
One. Then can we say that it is a linear equation in one variable?
No,
Yes,
sir.
No, sir.
Cannot, because two variables
A
x
linear
and y are.
equation.
No, sir. In two variables.
Now, next question. Is it in standard form?
No, sir.
No, sir.
no, sir.
Sir.
Yes. Can we write it in standard form?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Namit, how? Transferring minus
Y
4x
plus-
to the left hand side or 2y to the right hand side. Here minus 4x becomes plus 4x plus 2y
Plus 2y is equal to 3.
3 to the left
Minus
hand
3 is equal to 0.
minus. You know, yella, very simple. All the terms should be on the left hand side. Right hand side, 0 should be there. You know,
So,
algebraic term, constant equal to 0. Yeah, algebraic term,
sir,
constant. Now, it is of the form ax plus by plus c equal
plus
to
is equal
0.
to 0. So,
Now, my question is, compare the coefficients. By comparing, is it possible for us to tell the values of a, b, and c?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir,
sir.
Yeah,
4x is equal to 0. X is equal to 4.
a is 4,
4,
b value
2, minus
c
3.
value
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
clear? ನಿಮಗೆ exam ನಲ್ಲಿ question ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? Write the given equation in the standard form of linear equation in two variables and indicate the values of a, b, and c. Got it? ಇನ್ನು simple ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. How many of you can do this? Only my calculation is enough. It is x plus y by 2 equal to 7. I want its standard form. Who want to tell? Please first tell your name. I'll give you
Sir,
chance.
Kirtan Raj.
Yes.
Kirtan
Sai
Raj.
Gaurav.
Sir, x plus y minus 14.
Wait.
14, sir.
He is telling that x plus y equal to 14. That's absolutely right. But we want in standard form, like x plus by
Sir.
plus c equal to 0. Wait, I'll give chance.
14x plus y
Wait.
is equal to
Vibha,
0.
Vibha, could you tell? Wait. Ekta, could you tell?
14x plus y is equal
Wait,
to
don't
0.
tell. Sinchana B. Patel. Could you tell its standard form?
14x plus y is equal to 0.
Sir, you are mute.
Sir,
Sinchana?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you are unmuted.
sir, sound is coming, sir.
1 minute. Then Afrin Sheikh. Just a minute. Yes. Manya J. Jain? Don't know. Aniket? Such a simple one it is.
Sir,
Rakshita B.
14 plus
Sir.
x plus y is
X
equal
plus
to
y
0.
minus
Sir,
14.
7x plus y is equal to 0.
Plus y into 1 by 2 minus 7.
Again, sorry, two should be cross multiplied with 7. It is
x plus y minus 14 equal to 0.
is equal to 0.
14x plus y is equal to 0.
minus 14 is equal to 0.
It is absolutely right. To write it in standard form, we will write all the terms on the left hand side. It
Sir,
is
minus
y
14x
minus
plus y is
Minus
equal to 0.
14 plus y equals 0.
0.
It is of the form x plus by plus c equal to 0.
A is equal to 1, sir.
1.
1.
A and 1, B, 1.
Three
B
value.
minus 4.
1.
1
Three
1.
value.
Minus 14.
minus 14.
Dhanush, have you understood? Dhanush,
Sir, we
HK.
can write it in x by 2 plus y by 2 minus 7 equal to 0.
Definitely. Not 7 by 2 like this. Note, x plus y by 2 equal to 7 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. It means x should be divided by 2, y should also be divided by 2, then this is equal to 7. Transfer 7 to the left hand side. It's equal to 0. Now, a value is 1 by 2, b is 1 by 2, c is minus 7.
Minus 7.
Good question. Just look. Ingu baribodu. Both are same only. Now we are moving to worked examples based on the same type. Right? Worked examples. Worked examples. Right. First one, and is also important in the examination point of view. Okay. Double star mark and write. Question is, write each of the following equation. Write each of following equation in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. But na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First one. Giving you very simple example which has been given in the test. Right. First one. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4.37. Dhanush, tell it standard form. Dhanush, HK.
Sir, could I?
Sir, can I?
Wait. Dhanush is trying.
2x plus 3y minus 4.37.
Very good.
Equal
Very
to
simple. Every term should be written on the left
Equal
hand
to
side.
0.
2x plus 3y already they are given. Transfer 4.37 to the left hand side. it becomes minus 4.37, which is equal to 0.
Equals to 0.
And this is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now let us indicate the values. What is a? 2. B?
3.
3. C?
C minus
3, 7.
Minus 4.
Minus 4.37. Second question. X minus 4 equal to root 3 into y. Null page. Null page.
Sir,
Tell it standard form.
Sir, what is there
Root-
after root 3,
root
sir?
3y plus minus root 3y
Could I?
plus x minus 4 is equals to 0.
X
Minus root 3y. Minus 4 equal to 0.
equal to 0. It is of the form x plus by plus c equal to 0. Vibha, tell the value of a.
1.
Value of b.
Root 3. Root 3.
Value of c.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Huh?
Minus root 3.
Oh, root 3.
Minus root 3.
Minus root 3 will
Minus root 3. Ora.
Yes,
Sir, we can write first term last, sir. Sir,
Yes.
we have written also ax plus by. We can interchange those terms, sir.
Don't interchange because it is in specific form. Terms change model, it doesn't affect, but we will follow the English alphabet. We will start from A to up to Z, right? D first, then E second, A third. We are for the whole world is following one specific manner: A, B, C, D, followed by E, F, and so on. In the same way, here also AX, then after that plus BY, then plus C equal to 0. Now you write third example. This is also simple one. 2x equal to 5y.
2x
Among BF,
minus 5y.
2x plus
Sir, 2x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0.
Plus 0.
Sir, plus C, sir.
Sir,
2x
2 minus 5y plus 0.
there is no
Plus C.
plus 0 equal to 0. Now it is after for ax plus by plus c equal to 0. It is a is 2, b is minus 5.
Minus 1.
0. Interesting. Next one. Anybody?
Sir, 2x plus
Wait, wait, wait.
2x
minus
plus
5
0
plus 0.
0y
could I?
minus 5 is equal to 0.
In the previous problem, there was no c term, hence we put 0 in place of that. Here there is no y term.
so 2x minus 1. 0 y.
y plus
Plus
0y
0y minus 5.
minus 5 is equal to 0.
Plus y.
0 y.
Okay.
0y minus 5.
There is
Plus
no
0.
y
Y.
term. I write 0 into y. Transfer 5 to the left hand side. Minus 5 equal to 0. It is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now
Sir, B is, you told that, sir, B is
B is
non-zero.
0, C is minus 1.
Sir, you
Sir,
told
in
us
the
B
standard
is
form,
not
it is
equal to
there.
0.
B is not equal to 0, sir.
Of course, I've been telling you, you have to write the equations in the standard form. Our standard form will put it along, but we have to bring it to standard form. Got it? As the given equation, actually it is a linear equation in one variable. One variable. Now we do not two variable form of barita. That is why B is 0.
Yes.
Because of
Yeah,
this
right.
reason, we cannot say that it is a linear equation in two variable. It is always in one variable only. Artha?
Yes.
Okay, next.
Yes, sir.
Right. Fifth one. Fifth one. This is 2x minus 5y by 3 equal to 11y. 4.
2x by 3 minus 5y by 3 minus 11 by 4 is equal to 0.
2x by 3 minus 5y by 3
Just go for
minus
cross
11 by
multiplication.
4.
2x minus 5y minus 11 by 12.
Wait.
Kushal,
Sir, unwanted disturbance.
Prashant sir. Can you all hear me?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here very simple. You just cross multiply 4 with these two terms. 3 with 11. Here I'll write 4 into 2x minus 5y. 3 into 11. Just I'm extending one step. Multiply. 4 2s are 8, 8. 4 5s are 20, 21. 3 11s are 33. Take that to the left hand side. It becomes minus 30. Then it is
By 4,
A
sir.
by plus C equal to 0.
Sir, we can also write 2x by 3 minus 5y by 3.
I told now, 2 by 3 into x minus 5 by 3 into y, then minus 11 by A values change. Then, if it is not in our another condition put, that is, term should not be in fraction, then you have to follow this.
Yes, sir.
Right. A is 8.
8
B
minus
is
20 is 20.
Minus 20, C
Minus
is
30.
minus 33.
Minus 30.
Then we can do 2x by 3 minus 5y.
I told you it can be done. Example, term should not be in fractional. They follow this method. Or else directly you can write A is 2 by 3, B is minus 5 by 3, C is minus 11 by 4. It will be same only. Over. Next. And one more. Right. Sixth one is 0.2x plus 3.4y equal to 4. It's equal to 5.7.
Sir,
A is equal to
0.2x plus 3.4y minus 5.7 is equal to 0.
minus
The coefficients B integers. ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Do you call all those decimals as integers?
No, sir.
No.
Then how do you write them?
2 by 10, sir.
2 by 10.
Yes.
34 by 10.
57 by 10.
3.4y equal to 5.7. Innೊಂದು simple thing ಏನಂದ್ರೆ after decimal how many digits? 1. Here
1.
here
1.
just multiply 10 on both the sides. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? 2 digits ಇದ್ರೆ multiply 100 on both the sides. 3 ಇದ್ರೆ 1000. Here let us multiply 10 on both the sides. 10 into 0.2 2x.
2x.
10 into
34y.
34y.
5.7
57.
57.
you simplify. You 2 by 10 3.4 34 by 10 57 by 10 ಅಂತ ಬಂದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. No difference at all. Now this is 2x plus 34y minus 57 equal to 0. This is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now a is 2, b is 34, c is minus 57. Dhanush, finished. Very good boy. Dhanush HK. So these are important type of problems. Next we are going to learn about solutions of linear equations in two variables. Let us discuss about this in tomorrow's class. Okay?
Okay,
So,
sir.
Yes, sir.
let us stop the class. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.